folks, welcome back to our channel. For today, our kids are very much excited to come and play to Kidzoona. They're making the best out of their summer vacation while school days hasn't started yet. So, yeah, please join us in their enjoyable playing adventure in Kidzoona.
Woo!
That sounds like a wonderful experience. Kidzoona is a popular indoor play area designed for children to have fun and engage in various educational activities. Here are some things to consider and benefits your kids can gain from playing at Kidzoona. Benefits of playing at Kidzoona. 1. Physical activity. Exercise. Kidzoona offers a variety of play structures, slides, and ball pits that encourage physical activity, helping children develop their motor skills and stay active. Coordination. Activities like climbing, jumping, and sliding help improve coordination and balance. 2. Social skills. Interaction. Kids have the opportunity to interact with other children, helping them develop social skills, learn to share, and make new friends. Teamwork. Some activities at Kidzoona require teamwork and cooperation, fostering a sense of collaboration among children. 3. Cognitive development. Problem solving. Engaging in play activities helps children develop problem-solving skills as they navigate through different play zones and challenges. Creativity. The imaginative play areas, such as pretend shops and role-playing zones, encourage creativity and imaginative thinking. 4. Emotional development. Confidence. Successfully navigating play structures and activities can boost a child's confidence and self-esteem. Independence. Kidzoona provides a safe environment where children can explore and play independently, promoting a sense of independence. Tips for a great experience at Kidzoona. 1. Safety first. Supervision. Always keep an eye on your children to ensure they are playing safely and following the rules of the play area. Dress appropriately. Make sure your kids wear comfortable clothing and non-slip socks, which are often required for indoor play areas. Plan ahead. Timing. Visit during less crowded times if possible, such as weekdays or early mornings, to avoid the rush and allow your kids to enjoy the activities more freely. Duration. Plan the visit according to your children's stamina. Overly long play sessions can lead to fatigue and crankiness. Engage with your kids. Join the fun. If allowed, join in on some of the activities to bond with your kids and make the experience even more enjoyable for them. Encourage exploration. Encourage your children to try different activities and explore various play zones to maximize their experience. Stay hydrated and nourished. Snacks and water. bring snacks and water, or check if the facility has a cafe or snack area to ensure your children stay hydrated and energized. Capture the moments. Photos and videos. Take pictures and videos to capture the fun moments, but also be mindful of the facility's rules regarding photography. After the visit, 1. Discuss the experience. Talk about the day. Discuss with your kids what they enjoyed the most and any new friends they made. This helps reinforce their positive experiences and learnings. 2. Rest and relaxation. Wind down. After an energetic play session, make sure your kids have some downtime to rest and recover. Playing at Kidzoona can be a delightful experience for children, providing numerous benefits while ensuring they have a lot of fun. Enjoy your time there with your kids. Woo! Thank you so much, folks, for watching our videos. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your support, and may God bless us all. Cheers!